We have a new image of the suspected shooter.
Our first look at the suspect.
As we tell you everything we know about who did it, what kind of weapons, and why.
Kill all of them.
Hey yo, what's going on everybody, it's Celebra here and welcome back to the channel. Hope you have a great day. And in today's video we're finally gonna unbox the RAZER Blackshark V2 Pro wireless eSport headset. And finally we got the chance to unbox it, so yeah, I'm pretty much excited. And special thanks to Mix. Well, she basically sponsored this video. She sent me them directly from Italy, so special thanks to Mix, and I will leave her links down in the description. You can go check her out. Amazing content and great personality, and also she's my girlfriend, so you have to do this. And anyway, we'll unbox this bad boy, and yeah, let's start with the video. Okay guys, so we see the unboxing of the amazing Blackshark V2 Pro, and guys, I tell you, this is another level. This is like, you see them, I stretch this and this really comfy. I'm like, I feel like I'm inside there, and I'm gonna give you my honest review a little bit later. And pretty much of the unboxing, I'm really excited. I'm really happy how it goes. And I tell you what, I will give you my personal opinion a little bit later, because I want to test them not only in gaming but also listen to music and maybe watch some movie, because for last couple years I use my NARI Ultimate, and guys, I tell you, this is really good headset. Also, I do unboxing on them like 1 year ago, I think. I will leave a link down in the description. Unfortunately, the downside is that they not laying down I mean, like, I can put them and they're like there, they're like comfy. I like them go, and they're not gonna interrupt me, or this is really cool. But in a V2 Pro, even if I put them, it's like blocking me to swing my head, but in overall, it's really comfy, and I will give you my honest review a little bit later. Anyway, guys, so if you enjoyed watching this video at any point, feel free to smash this like button, and if you're brand new around here and you wanna find a way back, subscribe to the channel so YouTube will notify you when my videos go live. Also, don't forget to visit my other pages like Instagram, Twitter, links down in the description. If you got questions about anything or you just wanna chat, this is the best ways outside of YouTube. So it's gonna be all for me for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Celebra out.